Hi everybody! This week we're going to be working on a little persuasive mini project that's actually based on a true story, something true that really happened to me. Most of you know me, my name is Mrs. Lily and I teach with Miss Harstein periods 1 and 3. A few of you don't have me if you're in period 10, but I came up with this idea based on a gift I was given. My aunt gave me $100 for my daughter's birthday and asked me to donate it to a charity of my choice in my daughter's name. So I really am, this is a true thing, and I really do need to decide where I'm going to be donating this money to. I have a bunch of ideas, but I narrowed it down to 3 choices, and I want to see if you guys can help me decide which one I should donate the money to. So what you're going to do this week, and you have Monday and Tuesday to do this chart. You have both days to do it, but basically what I want you to do is just take a look at some of the basic information for each of my 3 choices and use the information to fill in the chart, and then decide or rank them. Give me your opinion. Which one do you think is the most important one, the second choice, and then the third choice, so that I can decide which one I should donate to. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the link, and when you click on the link, it's going to take you to a website called charitynavigator.org, which is a great website for determining if a charity you're thinking of donating to is a good quality charity or not. So when you look at the Charity Navigator website, the important information is all right here in this top section for you. The mission statement tells you exactly what the charity is all about. The first one is the ASPCA. And so if you don't already know, you can read the mission statement, but this charity helps with animal therapy, animal behavior. It helps prevent cruelty to animals and provides shelter for animals in need. So that's one option. The next thing that you'll be asked to look at in the chart is the charity star rating. So again, right up here in the top section is their overall star rating, and you want to use this top one with the big stars, the overall rating for that box. The next thing you're looking at is their financial score, which is right here. And the financial score is important because charities get lots and lots and lots of money donated to them, but the percent of the charity's total money that's actually spent on the animals in this case, or on the services it's providing, is really important. We don't want most of the charity's money or donations to go to paying its employees and advertising. We want most of the money to go to the actual people or animals in need. So we want this percentage or this number to be really high. That means almost everything that gets donated goes towards the animals in this case, or goes towards what the charity's purpose is. So that's the financial score. The next box down asks for the accountability and transparency score. Again, you want that number to be high. It's basically boils down to how honest the charity is about where they spend their money and who gets to decide what the money gets spent on. So both of those numbers we want to be really high. And that's what that means when you're looking at their financial score and their accountability. How much of their money goes to the actual cause, and how honest are they about how they spend their money. So after you look at those things on the website for each of these 3 charities, then you get to rank them. So this last box is your opinion. So whichever of the 3 you decide this is the one, this is the most important, Mrs. Lily should donate the money here, you're going to put a 1 in that box. Your second choice would be a number 2, and then your third choice would be a number 3. Once you're done with that, you're all finished for Monday and Tuesday's assignment. Wednesday is a remediation day, so there is no new work for Wednesday. And then on Thursday when you come back, you'll just scroll down and follow these directions for Thursday and Friday. Have a great week!